and welcome to another video. This is a recap on Emels Make-up Bag, and there's the pattern, or the last page of a pattern is where when I seen her do them, I actually fell in love with the shape. And she does, I think it's just over £2 in English, and you get the small, medium and large pattern, and I think she's on Pinterest. And I have put the link in the tutorial when I made this bag. The link to Emel's pattern is on there. I followed the pattern and her tutorial and made exactly what she did and the pattern says to do on that one. You've seen this one before, obviously I did the tutorial on that one, and I really do like it. It keeps its shape and everything. That's just cotton. The next one I did was in canvas, and that's this one, and that would be an ideal size for a man. And obviously if you do it black, brown or blue, I'm using up zips and fabric I already had in, so obviously I can't give that to man, it's yellow. And the mistake I made on this one, you know, you've got these tags at the end that when you hold them to pull the zip out, well, I dropped the other one out when I was doing it and I put it in the wrong place, so I've actually got it on the inside. So unfortunately to put it back, you just have to hold the bag. But other than that, that turned out well. I like that one, it's a good size. Before I show you the large, which is the pièce de résistance, because it's absolutely brilliant, I did a tutorial on Ashleys Fanny pack, or bum bag as we say in England or Great Britain. And if you remember, I had a pleat just on one of these sides. Well, I only did touch, I went back and redone it, and it's absolutely perfect. And I just love the shape of this and the fact that it's got two zips. And so you can put your phone, your purse, your passport and everything in this if you're on holiday. And there's the other zip there, separate pockets. And I think that's absolutely brilliant for holiday. It packs nice and flat and it holds quite a lot. You can even put a small plastic carrier bag. If you fold that up small, that will go in if you want to go shopping, or you want to go around on holiday looking for anything. Then you can keep yourself hands free, and then you wear it on your belly, and you know you've got great security. No one's going to pinch your bag off you. You're hands free. You can wander around with your phone and everything that you can hear it. I love that bag. I love Ashleys bag. Again, when I did the tutorial, the links for that. But if you just put Ashleys Fanny pack in the browser, then you'll see that one. Now this I love. This is Emel's large. I've showed you the small and the medium. Now this one is the large, and I've made it into a handbag. Isn't that brilliant? Now look at that. I absolutely love this bag. I think it's turned out the only thing I couldn't do, you know where we've got these tags that you hold on to pull the zipper and that away, because they've only got a domestic, then I couldn't put them on there. There's just too much bulk with the vinyl, so therefore I couldn't do it. Now I had these pre-made, I had these pre-bought and I already had them in a cupboard. So, the grey I got from Barry's Fabrics in Digbeth, Birmingham, ages ago. I think I've got a tutorial from last year, I think, when I bought that. The red glitter is when I went to the range a few weeks back, and that I think that's only about £3.99 a metre. And that is really good quality. That's really nice. I like that one. And then I made my own fabric up when I cut the pattern out. And I also changed the way I did the handles, obviously, because these handles were done just small little ones, 3 inches apart at the front. But obviously, with the handbag, I had to do something a bit more substantial. And I also changed the pockets. The pockets on the inside One's a zip pocket, which I think there's lots of tutorials how to do zip pockets, and the other side is card slots. The card slots I used were from the NCW card slots, which I've made in the past, so I had that pattern in, and absolutely brilliant. I love it, and it's absolutely ideal as a shoulder bag. Absolutely love it. If you want it long, you'd have to make something different, but there you go. Absolutely love that. I think it's turned out it's a brilliant size. When I saw it, I thought, well, I'll make them in different mediums, because there's a small, medium and large pattern. And I thought, well, I wonder if when I make the vinyl one, it's a good size for a handbag. And it is. It's an absolutely brilliant size. Because of its shape and the depth at the bottom, you can get absolutely shed loads in there. It's a proper handbag. It turned out absolutely brilliant. I love the shape, the oblong, square oblong type. At the bottom, I have this, and this is like a photography mesh, and it's really bendy, like that. And it's plastic, and I cut that, and I put that in between the bottom and the lining. So that just gives a little bit more rigidity to the base of the bag to stay open. So there you go. That's my few makes that I've made this week. I've made the 3 sizes of the Emels makeup bag. Let's just show you all more together. There you go. So there's one, there's a medium, and that's the large. And then I made the Ashleys Fanny Pack tutorial as well. If you remember this, I would have made a quick video of how to make a little baby mobile that can hang out over in a corner somewhere. Or for a little princess, make it in pink and little princess. That's got butterflies and that on it. Just zoom you in. There you go. So I've done a little tutorial on that. That just took only took about half an hour. But yeah, I've been on holiday from work this week, and that's what I made. And now I've got a handbag. And that's the handbag that I should be using myself now. It's very 70s, very retro. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me. I hope you come back and watch some more videos. And have fun and have a good day. Bye-bye.